In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Strava account. So from the home menu, you want to press on U in the bottom right corner, and then in the top right, select the settings wheel. After that, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see a button that says delete your account. That's going to open up your browser, and you'll be prompted to log into your Strava account again. Once you do that, you'll be brought to this page that tells you that your account deletion is irreversible, and also gives you the option to download your existing data on the Strava app. So you would scroll down, and if you don't want your data downloaded, then you would enable that. But if you do want it downloaded, then leave that unchecked, and then you would press request account deletion, and your Strava account will be deleted. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.